Of course, at some point I knew I'd get back into this. Wow! I've not vlogged in a while. But I did not vlog for a long time. It's now July, 30th of July. So it's a Saturday. I'm currently at my girlfriend's. It's about 20 past 8. My plan now is to cycle home. Yeah, she's still fast asleep, and we've already agreed, because I've been at hers for like 3 days now. We've already agreed that I've got 2 parcels coming at my house, so I need to go and collect them. I need to be at my house to collect them, should I say. And I'm really excited, because I'm going to build my own PC. I've never done it before, and I'm going to build my own PC. Oh, brings a tear to my eye. Anyway, I've decided I can't really do a daily vlog, because I'm a busy person, you know. I'm not really busy, but I'm an ambitious person, you know. I want to do so much stuff. I want to be on top, you know. So I can't vlog every day and edit every day. It'd be difficult. So I decided to vlog on Saturdays, edit on Sundays, and then I think I set it up for every Sunday at 5 will be a new vlog from me. It makes sense, you know. So it's a weekly video, and then you guys get to see something every week from me. Plus in between when I make videos during the week. Especially I'll be making a lot of videos during the week now, because my new PC, it's going to be for gaming. So I'll be using a device to capture my gameplay. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm a little bit annoyed at my girlfriend, because when I asked her if I could borrow her washing machine to wash some of my clothes ready for the morning, I did. Washing machine, wash my clothes, right? She put them on the radiator for me, because she's cute like that. However, I asked her if she's going to put the heating on, and she said no. And she specifically said clothes will be dry in the morning. So I believed her, and I woke up 5 to 8 in the morning. My clothes are still wet. Luckily I've got some backup tracksuit. However, I didn't have any backup underwear. This is not comfortable. Anyway, so for it. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful weather. So, I'm going to cycle home, wait for my parcel to arrive. When it does, I'm going to build my PC. This is super exciting. I've never built a PC, and this is great. And then we'll talk about more stuff, because we've got a lot to talk about this Saturday. Yeah. A lot to talk about. I have missed a few months of vlogging, so we'll get chatting as soon as I'm home. Riding home in this weather. All I can hear is the wind. This weather's beautiful. Nearly home now anyway. So, oh, actually, I did some filming this morning, so this kind of works.
Oh, okay.
Sup?
So,
Right, I'm recording in 4K. I got home. I didn't vlog jack shit, but the guy appeared with my stuff. I've already stuck the motherboard in. I've already stuck the motherboard in, but yeah, I'm building my PC, and it's cool as anything. I'm not gonna show off the case just properly yet. I'm still trying to get stuff in. Right now, I'm gonna stick the processor in, and yeah, I'm just gonna slap it in there. Nice. Got a hold.
yeah, I got you.
Nice. All right, let's do this. I'll just make any cuts that are like unnecessary.
Such as opening a box.
Yep. How interesting.
Yeah, wait. Oh, damn, look at this fucking quality.
It's great, isn't it?
Shit.
Look at the size of that thing.
Oh, focus. Oh, that was nice.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Autofocus, man. Sick, man.
I cast Fireball at the computer.
Yeah.
Oh, no!
You got a one.
I need to make a saving throw.
Oh.
Oh.
Right, I know I've never done this before. Never done it, but I know how to do it, so. Where's that little corner?
You got the theory.
Are you shitting me? Oh!
What?
There's usually, if you look, there's usually like an edged off corner, so you can tell which way to put it in. Which way do I put it in? I really can't tell. There's usually an edged off corner, but they're all edged off. Do you see?
Yeah.
Oh no, see it! See that? Little arrow.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I know which way it goes. But do I? Which way?
But do I?
Damn, where does it go on here? Which way? Oh, I see it.
I feel like I can see better through the phone than my own eyes.
I know which way to put it. Oh, it's in.
I felt.
That's in that. Oh, it's beautiful. The
Is that
processor's in. Processor's in, boys.
Let me get over here. I'm getting nothing but wrist on that side. Now I'm getting nothing but here.
That didn't work. I need to close it.
Fucking latch. It's like a belt buckle.
Yeah, it is. Ah!
Oh,
Got it.
Jesus Christ, that is.
Edgy as fuck.
The concentration.
It's in. The processor's in.
Woo.
Sweet. Definitely in place. Cool. Heatsink next. Look at this mad little thing. Oh, it's a proper shitty one as well. Wait a minute.
Looks cool though.
Does look cool.
Looks like you can make orange juice on it.
Absolutely a cheap as knobs one though. So I might replace it at some point in the future. Definitely a cheap one.
The first thing you should do though is well, what are you using this for anyway?
What?
This computer, like everything.
Gaming.
Ah. Yeah, I'd probably get a new graphics card first then.
Oh yeah, absolutely. New graphics card, new
Priority.
new everything. Right, where's the is it already on? Where's my thermal? We've got no thermal paste. What the hell?
Thermal paste. Sounds like.
Be serious.
Yeah, I can tell, but
Intel
just sounds funny.
Supports free, includes fan heatsink. Uh oh. Uh oh.
Came out of the trees, man.
I don't think I can run the computer today.
Oh, you missing a bit?
I've got no thermal paste. Need thermal paste. Unless that's already on. I have to Google. Jesus Christ.
Oh, bit, yeah, no. Hey, buddy.
That's
Hey, buddy. So.
Anyways, you see them stripes?
Yarp.
Pre-applied thermal paste.
Ooh.
Put it on.
Pre-applied. It's like when he takes his pants off and he's already just like dripping. What? You're gonna have some messy undies. I hope he was wearing swimming trunks.
Oh, that is
Wow, that was.
easy.
Yeah, that just clunked on.
Wow, that was the easiest processor.
You could have dropped that.
I probably could have. I've never built a PC before, but I've noticed that you have to install this heatsink and fan and shit. But that was the easiest one I've ever seen. I actually thought I'd have to do some screwing and stuff. Screwing!
I want to screw.
Yeah, that was. I'm a bit worried. That was easy. That was
Nothing else was that simple. Well, actually, arguably some of them were. We were just too simple to realise.
What is this motherfucker though?
Maybe in a part that you've not actually put in yet.
No, this goes in the motherboard.
No,
It's
I thought it was maybe that little
There it is.
white div.
CPU fan. Spotted it. I might have put the CPU fan in backwards.
Good job.
It's coming. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the paste. Shit, I better put it back in quick.
Oh, before it like dries or some shit.
Yep.
I'm told this. Hold this.
Come on.
What the fuck have you been doing with your hands, bro?
What's wrong?
I picked back up the phone and it's like super heated.
My phone?
Yeah.
It's because it's been filming.
No, but like it worked this hot when I was holding it. Or maybe I just didn't notice.
It heated up. It heats up after a while. Right. So, that's in. Heatsink. Processor is in. And then... Where can I put this?
Entertainment for
there.
days.
And then put that in. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
There we are.
Hey.
Woo! CPU fan is grounded
My
and
back
powered up.
hurts.
Don't know why I said grounded.
Grounded. Wait. The camera won't see that, but whatever. I didn't even do it properly. Yeah. I
I
realised.
think it's out. Okay. You alright, mate?
What are we doing next?
How's it going?
Shh.
Ram. I think we need ram next. Ram it in there.
Where are they going?
Ram goes.
There.
What's a piece of that?
I knew where.
I know.
Yeah, I swear, man.
I might give it a power on test first.
Wait, make a persuasion saving throw.
Oh, in fact, I need to plug these.
Fuck me in the ass.
Gross. Need to power these up.
Hey, man.
How is this?
I maintain that shit.
USB 3? Is that what that is? Yeah. That is, isn't it? Ah, there we are.
There we are. Almost.
There we
There we are. Well done. No lives. So, whilst
Damn, you scared the fuck out of me then.
whilst you're diddling about a bit, aren't you?
I did.
Speak to us about
What?
these ramifications.
Ramifications, well, I've got insurance, but if I don't build this properly, I could blow it up.
Nice.
That's about it.
And the specifications.
Specifications.
It's pronounced specifications.
It is a 6600 Skylake i5 quad-core processor, and I think it's got a 3.3 gigahertz speed with a 3.9 gigahertz turbo speed.
There was like a split second where like your eyes closed, but you like looked up at the same time. It was the picture of smog. Like
It's also got 8GB of RAM, but it's due to be upgraded. I'm gonna eventually bring it up to 64 gigabytes of RAM.
damn.
And it is a mad fast machine when it's finished. I don't know what this is. It's this cool little thing. Stupid. Going back on my shit.
Wouldn't this top one like connect into? I don't know what I'm on about, but it seems like that top one would be for connecting it to the motherboard, and then the rest of them just
Nah, because it's
diddle
labelled,
into the hub.
I'd think you'd be right, but it's labelled fan number 1.
No,
So-
that middle one.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's labelled fan 1. And
That's an odd
this-
design.
This was in it.
Wait, so can you get 11 fans then?
It does say fan 11 there, which is weird. But
Christ, this thing's gonna be like a bloody wind tunnel.
what's good though, right, is that say like if I had my 11 fans in there, but they were all running at a slow speed, because there's 11 fans, it still gets sufficient cooling. But slow speeds would make it a quiet machine.
You'd have
All the tech
enough
geeks
slow
will know
things to equal one big fast thing.
Yeah. All the tech geeks will know what I'm on about.
I knew what you was on about.
Nice.
Fuck you.
Where do I put this thing? Yo! So we've done most stuff because we had a lot of figuring out to do. Like, I've put my M.2 drive in there.
Not
A couple of things plugged in. Took some spare wires out that didn't actually need to be there. We figured out. Stuff's plugged in. But now, plug in the power supply and do a power on test and see how well it runs. The RAM's in as well. I've stuck the RAM in there. How cool are those RAM sticks? Can't really get a good look, but oh, okay.
They're pirates.
Yeah, let's find out. Hold. Aha! As you can see, it's completely wired up. Ready to go. I'm going to give it a power on test now. Should be ready to go. Cool. Got a nice little green light, that means it's all working. However, a button. Oh. It's going. Weird. Very weird. Whoa, the fans are moving. Lights are flashing. Like something's wrong. Took a long bloody time, but the computer is going. It's ready. Hard drive for all my data. N.2 for installations like Windows and games. There's my fan. That's going. I can actually, that button there, I can speed up the fans. You can actually see it on video. And there's another fan in there. So there's a hard drive there. There's also my SSD on the back. And there's that fan controller there, all the wires. Looking messy before I put the plate on. But yeah, it's ready to go. I am really excited. And Windows is nearly finished. Yeah, so I didn't do it all day, but I'm back in my very messy room. The computer's ready to go. Except for one tiny little issue. I don't have an operating system. So, I'm going to have to work on trying to get one of those. Probably going to have to pay for it.
Except for this one thing called sausage arms, it's kind of shit.
What does it do?
It's just sausage arms. It's exactly what you think it is. It's exactly what it sounds like.
So I didn't vlog for most of the day, but yeah, there is no front
side chin.
Dude, there is no chicken.
There is no chicken.
So
Got that.
I did, yeah.
There is no chicken.
God damn. It's a bit of fluff in your hair.
It's a bit of fluff.
I hissed as I was zooming out then as well. So Callum's playing Civ 5?
Yeah.
Nice. My PC's there behind him. Like, yeah. Sorry I didn't get much of the build, but it was so complicated to put together and to like set it up with Windows
And I couldn't be asked for recording him do it.
Yeah.
I was getting nothing but wrist in the camera.
But yeah, there was so much to it that I couldn't film it all, but basically I got it going.
Trying to sneak out there.
And I'm very happy with it. So yeah, I've set it up with some cool stuff. I've played some games on it, and yeah. There's my old machine. Old dinosaur there. It's still good, it's just missing... I burped. It's still good, it's just missing a hard drive because I took the 2 hard drives out of there and stuck them in there because I can put... What? I think there's 9 drives altogether you can put in there. You could put an extra 3 in there, but that's where I want to put like my disk drives. So, discs. I might put a floppy disk in there for the levels.
Just for the jokes you can make about it.
Yeah. Buy a floppy disk. Or 10, because there's like 10 for £1 now. Yeah.
What are you going to do with the 9 though? You could use one for jokes.
I might just stick pointless shit on there. Or hide really small Word files on there. Because, did you know the max capacity for a floppy disk is 1.4 megabytes? Remember, you need 1,000 megabytes for a gigabyte. So, yeah.
Oh, I was going to say, I was about to be offended if you were telling me that.
Oh, no, I'm not telling you that.
I was going to be fucking offended.
Right now.
Oh, too soon.
Right now I'm working on my laptop, currently trying to purge it of, like, crap. Because it's full of crap. Like, this Adobe stuff. Adobe's broke, so I'm trying to get rid of it right now. So, yeah, I'm going to try and get rid of Adobe. I'm going to get it back on, but it's broke, so... Applying fixes and stuff. I've decided to do vlogs every Saturday now.
Dude, check.
Yo, I'm a check.
Like this that I made.
I remember when you made that. A single
wait. This is something that happened to me. I was just on YouTube and I noticed this. I didn't do that.
Kill yourself added you to their circles. Damn! Who is that guy?
Someone who fucking don't like me, apparently.
What I was saying, I'm gonna vlog every Saturday and then do the editing for the video on Sunday. I was gonna do I was gonna do a fucking daily vlog, but that would just keep me so damn busy. I couldn't do that. So tomorrow, I think I'll head off to Skinema. Like, seriously, I ain't seen a good film in a while. And I've got that Odeon Unlimited card, so I can just go and see as many films as I want. I'm not really using it, so I'll go cinema and watch crap ton of films. I might go see 2. I don't know if I could do 3. But yeah, there's so much cool stuff to go and watch. I wanted to avoid swearing then, but I thought I'm already swearing anyway, so...
So I may as well say stuff.
Do I bleep it?
Are you ranting about Adobe?
Kind of. Anyway, so it's like 2 minutes to 12.
I'm spooning Mitchell's dog.
Oh, is it August in 2 minutes? No.
No.
It's August on Monday. Let's see. So I'm still waiting for Adobe to download.
Adobe.
Yeah.
Adobe.
Adobe.
Laptop then. He looked at the screen and then started like rubbing his nose on the mouse pad. He looked back at the screen.
Chester. Chester. Wow, ignorant much.
No. No, I can play my game.
Chester, flap that tail. Chester.
Nope. Hey. He
Hey.
clicked my mouse.
Chester. Hi, mate. Yeah, look at it go. How fast is that? Yeah, well done, Creative Cloud. You are great. I only wanted to download Premiere Pro, but you're downloading Cloud. So I've decided after so long, Premiere Pro is still broken. I'll have to fix that at some point. So I've decided to go for Camtasia. And it's on its way. But right now, I'm tired as butts. Sick. Yeah. I'm going to try one more thing before I sleep. I'm going to try and get... I'm going to try and dual boot Mac OS.
Oh.
Yeah. It's gross.
Oh.
Not that I want to do it or anything, but...
You have to learn how to use Mac for work, something, right?
Yeah. For the company that I now work with, a good chunk of them use Macs, and I'm IT support, and the whole deal of me being able to support people with IT, I need to know how to use a Mac, and I don't know how to use them, but I don't like them, so yeah.
Gross.
So I'm going to try and run Mac OS on this PC. This PC can absolutely do it, it's just if I can get a copy of Mac OS.
Does Ubuntu do Mac? Does Ubuntu do Mac?
Ubuntu is a Linux-based system.
No, but no, Gentoo I was thinking of. I was thinking of the wrong thing.
Ah, alright, well. Yeah, so...
Does Gentoo do Mac?
Gentoo? What's Gentoo?
It's like a operating system simulator.
Oh, like a virtual one?
Yeah.
I was going to use Oracle.
Yeah.
It's like dead easy, and I think I've already got it. I could use Hyper-V, because that's already on my system. It comes with Windows, so I'll use that actually, because it's very advanced and it's totally free. Free trial, please. Yeah, Camtasia's been installed right about... Yeah, Camtasia's on its way. Up. There we go. Error. An installation for Adobe Acrobat is currently suspended. You must undo the changes made by that installation to continue. What? Yeah, fine. Whatever. Stupid. What? My installation just got rolled back. Oh no, it's going back forward again. Well, did you really need to do that? Oh, never mind. Right, so I'm gonna get some sleep after I try some new crap. We're gonna edit this vlog tomorrow, so I will see you guys next week. I'm gonna vlog every Saturday, yeah. So bye.
I don't know what you expect me to do.
Nothing. Yeah.
Oh wow, great expectations. Cheers. Just know what you think of me.
See you next week.
No, fuck off.